Hello and welcome to my business, Thurles Engineering Services. Today I am here to talk about our Otinus plasma table, which came from all the way from Poland. Michael and his team were very good. They landed this machine from Poland, as I said, safely, and we were very happy with the machine. Here you can see the screw compressor. It's came with the machine. Michael also supplied this fabulous screw compressor. The hypertherm power unit is absolutely excellent. Build quality and reliability is excellent. Today we are setting the table up for 8mm steel, and hypertherm parameters recommend 65 amps, and the program is loaded here this morning and we are ready to go. So I'm just going to start the program and everything is ready. Thank you, Otinus, for sending us an excellent quality machine. We'll see you soon.